This slide shows DV360 hierarchy. Under single DV360 account, you can create multiple partners. Each partner holds multiple advertisers. Each advertiser contains campaigns, and campaigns holds insertion orders, line items, and then creatives. Each insertion order holds multiple line items, and for each line item, creatives are assigned. And this is the DV360 hierarchy. In case of YouTube, there is a small change in DV360 hierarchy. A new layer called ad groups comes into picture after line item. Line item holds number of ad groups. Each ad groups contains ads. Ads are nothing but creatives here. Hope you got an idea of DV360 hierarchy, and we shall discuss each one in detail in the next slides. Account holder can see multiple partners at this account level. Let's start with partners. Partners represents agencies, trading desk, or any large independent advertisers. Single partners holds single or multiple advertisers. Let's take an example here. Let's assume that we created single partner in the platform. Single partners can hold multiple advertisers. Let's assume that we created 3 advertisers under single partner. We shall take Unilever, Nike, Audi as an examples of advertisers. Once you create partners, under partners, once you create advertisers, you can see list of advertisers created. And partner level, you can also see delivery and performance of each advertisers. At left side, other options like audience, inventory, reports, resources, partner settings. I will explain about all these options in future videos. At this partner level, all advertisers belonging to the same partner inherit the settings at this level. Some of the settings like basic details, targeting, DV360 fee, partner costs, revenue model, advertiser configurations, linked accounts. Next, we shall discuss about advertisers in DV360 hierarchy. Under single partner, you can create multiple advertisers. Likewise, advertisers represent number of campaigns to run. You can also create multiple campaigns under single advertiser. So, advertisers holds multiple campaigns here. At this level, where advertising campaigns runs in DV360 and assets are set. This helps to divide every individual campaign based on various factors and as per the requirement. For example, Nike advertiser can create different campaigns for their individual products. This slide shows what you see at advertiser level in DV360 user interface. Under advertiser, you can create multiple campaigns. List of campaigns under the advertisers are shown here. You can also see performance and delivery of each campaigns. At the left side, there are other options like audiences, creatives, inventory, insights, resources, and advertising settings. Next, campaigns. Campaigns created under the advertisers. These campaigns helps to group together multiple insertion orders with a common business goal. You can create multiple IOs under this campaign. From our previous example, partners holds number of advertisers, advertisers holds number of campaigns, and each campaign holds multiple insertion orders. IOs which were created under the campaign are listed over here. We can also see performance and delivery of each IOs. At the left side, you can also see other options. We shall discuss about this in future videos. Campaigns acts as a container for multiple IOs. Campaign structure depends on its goals and strategy. This campaign level helps to divide every individual IOs based on various KPIs, media plan, channels as per the requirement. Campaign setup varies from one to another. It all depends on how someone manages the campaigns in DV360. Insertion orders are IOs. In DV360, campaigns holds IOs and each IOs contains set of line items. At the IO level, it is used to distribute the budget to line items underneath. You can create multiple line items under this single insertion order. Currently, there are 3 types of insertion orders: real-time bidding, story, and TV. This slide shows what you see at IO level in DV360 UI. You can see list of line items that is created, and also performance and delivery numbers of those line items can be shown here. More about insertion orders. At IO level, you can manage budget and budget segments for multiple flights within the campaign flight. You can also manage programmatic strategy and other tactics. You can also manage pacing settings and frequency control. At this IO level, you can set default targeting for line items. It also contains partner costs. Next, line items. Line item holds number of creatives. It mainly consists of creatives, budget, bid strategy, targeting settings, etc. This line items contains various options which helps to bid on impressions and serve creatives. In this slide, you can see line item holds multiple creatives. There are different types of line items like display, video, audio, mobile app install, ads in mobile apps, YouTube partner video, YouTube partner audio, and Gmail. This slide shows what you see at line item level. At this line item level, DV360 bid on impressions and serve creatives. Line item level helps to choose media type like display, video, YouTube, and so on. Line item level helps to use budget provided by insertion orders and pacing settings. You can also manage bid strategy, frequency cap, targeting parameters, and creatives. Other options like fees, partner cost, conversion tracking are also available at line item level. Creatives are nothing but advertisements which are assigned to the line items. Creative types includes standard, expandable, native, audio, video, flipbook, YouTube videos, and so on. Creatives can only be assigned to appropriate line items. For example, audio creatives can only assign to audio line item type. This slide shows creatives available at advertiser level. When compared with other line item types, YouTube line item differs. A new additional layer called ad groups is added after line item. Ad group is an additional layer and is available only for YouTube line item. This is similar to line items where you set targeting and bid. In ad groups, YouTube ads are added. These ad groups are used to split strategy of campaigns further and also as per the ad messages.